Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening everyone. Jadi in this video we will discuss about 3 questions in single slit diffraction, grating diffraction, and grating diffraction again. Okay, so I'm just gonna explain these 3 questions. Okay, so before it I'm gonna write the formula that we can use in this topics diffraction. Okay, this topic diffraction. So wait, diffraction. Okay. Nah, first we have the single slit diffraction. With the formulanya adalah okay. So in this diffraction type, single slit diffraction, we just can find the dark pattern or dark fringe or minima pattern on the screen. So there is no simple equation for the bright fringe in the diffraction single slit diffraction in the high school. So we just use one formula for this subtopic. The formula is sin theta n lambda over d. Okay, and I think you should know what is angle theta, what is wavelength lambda, and what is d, distance between distance or spacing of the slits. Okay, yeah, and N1 is for first duct. I think the pen is too bigger. Duct. Okay, this better than before. N2 is second duct. Alright. Okay. And you have to remember this formula for single slit diffraction. And we can also find the width, lebar, the central break of the single slit diffraction pattern. If you remember our experiment before in the razor blade, that we use the razor blade, two razor blade, and make some gap. Okay, ada sebuah patternnya. The pattern are wait. I think I have to use the black pen. Okay, nah, the central break have the broad wider wide break fringe. Jadi dia punya lebar yang lebih lebar. Dia punya lebar yang besar untuk pola tengahnya. So here is the gap. Okay, so like some wave here will passes this gap, and in the next of break center there is the dark break, first dark pattern. Okay, and break. So we have this very small dark pattern here. So if the question is how is the width of the break center, so guys, you can use the formula of the first break center, first dark pattern. Okay, sorry, first dark pattern here is y1. So here is y1 also. So we can estimate the length of this break center is the 2y1. So y1 we doing some multiplied ya by 2, kita kalikan dengan 2. So the width of the break center is 2y1. Alright. Okay, I think this is so clear. And the second diffraction is grating diffraction. Grating diffraction. So grating diffraction is like some slide or some film with many lines or many slits there. So I have if I have this grating, like this is first line, second line, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 line, and first gap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 lines. So n is 8. So n is for the number of the lines in the grating, and the length of the grating we can say L. Okay. So if you want to find the distance between the slit that we call D, you can multiply you can divide it the L to the n. So D is L divided by n. Alright. So this formula for find the distance of slits. If the questions the question statement just n, not there is no distance there. Okay. And this is the screen. Okay. If you remember that when we tried that the grating we shine with the laser light, red laser light, the laser light will diffract in the some point. The center is the break point, and the second, the third. Okay, so we can see the dark pattern clearly. So we just see the break center there in the grating diffraction. Oke, jadi kita hanya melihat sisi terangnya aja pada pola grating kita ya. Tuh, ini kan laser-laser yang kemarin dipancarkan ya, dia akan semacam distribute atau disperse, tersebar gitu ya ke beberapa titik gitu. Nah, angle-nya ya sama kayak yang biasanya, angle tuh ini, and this is y1 ya. Formulanya simple, just sin theta is n lambda over d. And guys, you have to remember that sin theta is y over L, right? Sin theta is y over L. Now this equation you can use in every diffraction and interference. Yeah, in diffraction you can use this equation for describe the sin theta is, and in interference you can also use this equation. Oke, kita langsung aja ke questionnya. Nomor 1 ini adalah a single slit diffraction ya. Kita classify dulu, and you have to classify the quantities in the question. So we have 5m80 nanometers is the wavelength. So wavelength is 580. Yeah, we have to convert it to the meters. So power minus 9 meters. Yeah, nanometers to meters. Yeah, we can multiply it with the 10 power 9 minus 9, and having width, dia punya slit, dia punya lebar, dengan lebarnya itu adalah lebar celahnya itu adalah 0,3. So the lebar of slit adalah D nya 0,3. but this is in millimeters. We can convert to the meters, so 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. Okay, the viewing screen is 2 meters from the slit, viewing screen to the slit, so that is L, 2 meters. The question is find the width of the central black fringe. Okay, width, so we can use the formula like I have wrote before. No, where is it? Here. Okay, 2y1, so 2y1 is 2 multiplied by y1 is y1 is wait, we have to write the full equation, yeah. Sin theta is n lambda over d, sin theta is y over L n lambda d. So y1 is n, we can substitute n, n with a number 1 with a 1, yeah. So 1 wavelength, 1 times wavelength times L divided by D. Okay, so this one is formula of y1, so 2 times y1, so lambda L, so okay, yep, over D. Yeah, so we can calculate this equation too. Okay, you can see here we have a 0 here, and kita punya angka 0 di sini. Ini pangkatnya minus 9, so minus 9 kalau kita kalikan dengan pangkat 1 plus, maka hasilnya minus 8, ya. Per L nya 2, per D nya is 0.3, ya. 0.3 times 10 power minus 3. Okay, so the answer is 58, ya. Dikali 2 itu 116 kali 2 itu 200, 230, 232 dibagi ini 3, ini jadinya 10 pangkat negatif 8, negatif 4, ini bertambah 1 jadinya negatif 3 bertambah 1 jadi negatif 4, negatif 4 berarti ini positif 4 kalau naik ke atas. Jadi 232 bagi 3 itu sekitar 8, kurang dari 8, sekitar 7, ya. Coba kita kalkulatorin. 3232 dibagi 3, ya sekitar 77,3. Pangkatnya ini adalah 10 pangkat minus minus 4. Oke, ya minus 4 meters, ya. Okay, alright. Yeah, you can correct me if I am wrong, ya. If I wrong, you can correct me the calculation of this equation. But overall, cara pengerjaannya seperti ini. Ya, ini persamaannya yang harus kita teman-teman ingat untuk mencari lebar tengahnya. Oke, next. Kemudian diffraction. Oke, formula masih sama. Pertanyaan wavelength. Kemudian kita tahu the angle between the first order diffraction. First orders, it means n is 1. Maxima 70 degrees, but this is not from the equilibrium line, so we have to divide this number with 2, ya. Jadi kita harus bagi dengan 2. Jadi kita dapat nanti jarak antara tengahnya dengan first ordernya adalah 35 degrees. Okay. And what is the wavelength? Ya udah, kita bisa pakai rumus yang tadi, ya, sin theta untuk yang grating, ya, ini, ya. N lambda over D. Sin theta berarti sin 35. Sin 35 itu mungkin sekitar 0,5. Saya bulatin aja biar lebih gampang. N nya 1, wavelength nya mau kita cari, and D nya is this Jadi tinggal 10 pangkat minus 6. So ini kita pindah ke sini, jadinya 1 juta dibagi setengah itu berarti 500. 1 juta dibagi setengah 500.000 ya. Hah? No, 1 juta dibagi setengah itu ya 500.000. Jawabannya sekitar 500. Nggak usah deh, pakai kalkulator aja deh. Sebentar. Sin ya. Sin 35 dikali 10 pangkat negatif 6. Oh ya, kok 1 juta ini kan jadinya positif ya. Jadinya tetap negatif ya, sorry. Itu sekitar 0,57, ini sekitar 0,57. Oke, ini sekitar berarti jadinya lambda is 0,57 dikali 10 pangkat minus 6. Ya, kalau kita jadikan 57 di situ ya, kita pakainya 570, berarti ini harus kita kalikan 1000. Kalau kita kalikan 1000 maka harus kita bagi 1000 supaya nilai nggak berubah. Kalau kita bagi 1000 maka ini jadi pangkatnya negatif 9. Oke, meters. Jadi teman-teman harus tidak ada masalah dengan konversi itu ya. Kalau bingung nanti bisa di replay ulang video saya ya. Tapi kita tetap bingung deh. Karena kalau bingung coba tanya saya di ruangan saya, oke? Ini meter juga. Ini nanometers. Berarti ini 570 nanometers. Ini approximation aja ya. Jadi sekitar segitu jawabannya. 570. Alright. Plus nomor nih grating bla 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 bla. Di sini ketahuinya tuh lines per unit length, maka kita harus pakai rumus D-nya. D-nya tuh per n atau length. Length-nya katanya unit length, berarti satu aja kita anggap. So 1 divided by n. Oke, itu untuk D-nya. Sekarang kata dia di sini adalah bla 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 third order. So n is 3. Oke. And then sin theta sama dengan n lambda over t. So sin theta is n-nya 3, lambda d-nya 1 per n. N-nya naik ke atas jadi 3 n lambda. So simple, right? So the answer is B. I think that's all about the sum exercise for diffraction and the formula for diffraction, single slit diffraction and grating diffraction. Hopefully, I hope this video can help you to learn physics for the test. Okay, thank you so much. If you have some problem, you can come to my office. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.